Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork dumplings at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground pork, half a head of napa cabbage, and some fresh ginger and garlic. Don't forget your dumpling wrappers. A pack of 50 to 60 works perfectly. We'll also use soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of white pepper to create that authentic flavor. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. Start by finely chopping your napa cabbage and salting it for about 15 minutes to draw out moisture. Squeeze out all the excess water thoroughly. In a large bowl, combine the ground pork with minced ginger, garlic, and chopped green onions. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix everything until it's well combined and slightly sticky. Wrapping dumplings is an art, but it's easier than you think. Take one wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of filling in the center. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half, creating a half-moon shape. Pinch the center, then create small pleats along one side, pressing them firmly against the other edge to seal. Aim for about 5 to 7 pleats for a beautiful, secure dumpling. Now for the best part, cooking and enjoying your delicious homemade dumplings. You can boil them for about 6 to 8 minutes until they float, or pan-fry them for a crispy bottom. To pan-fry, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, cook until golden, then add a 1/4 cup of water, cover, and steam for 5 minutes. Serve immediately with a simple dipping sauce of soy sauce and rice vinegar. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.